J'en ai bien fait rentrer. Année ça, année chevalier pour chinois.
Yeah, you could be the greatest, you could be the best, you could be the King Kong banging on it.
Je vais faire un petit parc là. Les oiseaux qui chantent dans les oreilles. On va aller pour cruise.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war, you could top the clock, go banging on his door. You could throw your hands up, you can beat the clock, you can move a mountain, you can break rocks, you could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you're gonna find yourself. Standing in the Hall of Fame, yeah.
Wow. La belle. Ah, Shanghai, la belle amour, monsieur. Hein? Shanghai, belle amour. J'en ai bien fait rentrer. Année ça, année chevalier pour chinois. Hôtel qui est dans level 4 Seasons, Ritz Carlton, il y a Hôtel Indigo. Oh, bon, Annette, Hôtel Indigo. On a cruise là, mais comment on va hein?
Standing in the Hall of Fame, yeah. And the world's gonna know your name, yeah. 'Cause you're burning with the brightest flame.
La belle pays, la belle. Un VIP là.